Nag-grocery tayo. Bumili ng mga daily needs. Sweet corn. Bili tayo ng mushroom. Bihira lang to sa market. Kasi may display sa mall. Nakabili tayo ng mushroom. Then, papaya. Taro leaves. Pipino. Eggplant. String beans. Bumili din tayo ng mga frozen meat for steak, ham, drumstick, ito chicken wings, favorite ni father. Tapos ito ay chicken breast, ito ay pork para binaga, then hot dog, eggs. May grocery pa tayo dito. May cheat day tayo. So, for the cheat day. Pineapple juice. Ito yung grocery natin. This is for 1 week na consumption. And mga crispy fry, tortillas, Yakult, saka sotanghon. That's for our grocery for the day. Good for 1 week.